Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Steph. Thanks for being here. For today's video, I thought I would sit down and just talk about life, talk about whatever comes to my brain, while also recreating Abby Roberts' solar system look. This one right here. I think it's really cool, really dope, and just very unique, and she is so talented, so I thought I would dip my little fingers in it and try to recreate this look. So yeah, if you want to sit down, talk, and listen to me while doing this makeup, then please keep on watching. Alright, let's get to it. I already did my base off camera, as you can see. I already did my foundation, I filled in my eyebrows, so I'm good to go. If you need to do your base, it's cool. Pause this video, get to it. I'll wait. You look good. Beautiful. I'm trying to motivate you to do your makeup, girl. I'm right here in the background. Ooh, if you need company, I'm right here, girl. I'm right here. I didn't forget about you. You cool, you important. Okay, I'm weird. That's just how I am. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to be there for you and trying to be a good friend and keeping you in the loop and keeping you company. So sorry that I'm a little weird. That's just who I am. Let's get to the makeup. I'm gonna start with the eyes because the eyes are the easiest for me. I'm gonna dip into the Jack and Hill palette because it's the only palette I have. So this is my palette. I'm gonna go with this color right here on the eyes. And yeah, I'm gonna try to talk. I'm gonna put this shadow in the corner of my eyelid and start buffing it towards the inner corner. So yeah, a little bit about me. I'm Stephanie, I'm Stephanie Hale, H-A-L-E, not Hale as in you're going to hell. I graduated college in last December 2018, with a bachelor's in communications and advertising. So you think I'd be good at communicating, but I'm not. Okay, so that's kind of the color I'm going for right now. This is like a blue-green color. I'm gonna darken it with a dark purple or like semi-dark purple and see how that looks. Obviously, I'm not recreating it exactly like her, like Abby, but she's my inspiration for this look. So yeah, life is good. I'm just focusing on being more social and being myself. Now, for the eyes, I'm gonna go with a black and darken it more on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna cut the lid just a little bit so I can add a little shimmer to it. I am so glad it's October. I love October. I love the creepy vibes, the scary vibes, the cold. Love Halloween. It is freaking, it's one of my favorite months. My top favorite is February because that's my birthday and I feel like it's a unique month. Don't be hating on February. Okay, so right there when we just cut the lid, I'm gonna go in a shimmer on top of it. I think the eyes are good for now just because I don't want to make the eyes dramatic. I want all the focus and attention to their solar system. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish off the other eye and put on some falsies, and I'll be right back. And I'm back with my eyes, done with it. Lashes are on. Also, I have a very hard time putting on lashes, so if in the middle of the video they start to fall off or they look messed up, who cares? Just ignore it. Not a big deal. Let's get on to the hard part of this video, which I am dreading because this is where my skills get tested on. Because I don't know what I'm doing, so bear with me. Obviously, the colors for the solar system are not going to represent the actual solar system. Let's pretend that we're in a different galaxy and this is a whole different solar system. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush right here and start dipping into that blue greenish color and start doing my thing. Let's just go with it. Yeah, we're doing it. This should be a look at how to be the Grinch. How to be the Grinch. Here we are. You know, my mom would be so disappointed. She wanted me to do like a simple fall look, and look at my dumb ass. Okay, now I'm gonna go with another brush and mix that with some blue, or try to mix it with some blue. So again, like I said, this is a different galaxy. Wow, my sits are really popping out with this, huh? I told my husband I wanted some ice cream from Dairy Queen, and 2 days later I get sits all over my face. Why did I decide to do this? I don't know. You know, I wanted to focus on YouTube, and I've done so many videos that I haven't edited or posted because I am so awkward around the camera. Either I'm really awkward and I don't know what to say, so half of my videos are me silent and doing my makeup, or I have no idea what to do, so I just do whatever on camera and it doesn't go as planned. I actually planned this, but now I'm regretting it. I really hope it turns out better. Okay, so now we have the base basically of this made up galaxy that's bluish greenish tone. Now we're gonna start forming the planets. So for our planets, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to kind of do the base of the circle, and then I'll go in with the colors of the planets. To make this easy on me, because I'm not good at creating shapes whatsoever, I'm gonna be stamping the circle. So I'm actually gonna take like this little circle or this one and basically put the concealer on it and stamp it. It doesn't have to be perfect, although we always want it to be perfect. Okay, so see how I have the concealer on there? Now we're gonna stamp it. Okay, so that's one big planet. Obviously we're gonna fix this, and this is just to kind of give me an outline of the circle, and then we'll fill it in and fix it a little better. So it doesn't have to be perfect because we're just gonna color in inside of it. Okay, once you kind of have the outline, again, it doesn't have to be perfect because mine's not that perfect. We're gonna go and add the colors. I'm actually gonna go in with kind of like an orange yellow tone, and then on top of it mix it with a little bit of red. So let me stamp it just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go and add that red I was talking about. Just have fun with it. Honestly, I'm not an artist. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just being me. I'm just seeing how this will look. I'm gonna keep going back and forth with the yellow orange tone and the red. Okay, that's our first planet. A little rough. It's okay, it's a learning experience. We're both learning together how to create a solar system. Now we're gonna start adding other planets. So just have fun with it. Use different sizes if you want. I'm gonna get a smaller circle. So I just got this mascara, so I'm literally just stamping the concealer on here. Let's do one right on my pimple. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. We'll see how that goes for us. All right, and let's clean it up just a little bit. I'm concentrating hardcore on this. So sorry if I don't talk much when I should, and I said I would. Who's excited for Halloween, by the way? I'm super excited. I'm learning a lot of Halloween makeups from like Nika Tutorials, Abby Roberts, and like all these other amazing talented makeup artists. So I'm actually very excited to like do my makeup for Halloween. So now that we have our circle, let's start adding our colors. So this one, I'll make this one purplish. Yeah, let's do that. That Sid's really doing something for me, huh? It looks like this planet has a little hump, a little heel.
So, thank you for that.
That's our second planet with a little hump and heel on it. Man, you could really see that Sid popping out. My dumbass. Let's move on. I think I'm gonna make like a big one over here, like a star, like the damn sun. Yeah, let's do that. There's our big circle. Let me fix it. Okay, so I got the big circle done, and I add a little bit of the green around it because it was blank. Now, I know I want this to be kind of like the sun, so I'm going to go with a yellow, a bright yellow, and start stamping that on the circle. You know, this is actually really fun. I didn't think I would have fun doing the solar system, or a solar system, just because I was just like, man, I'm barely good at the eyes and I'm barely good at putting on eyelashes. How the hell am I gonna do a whole solar system? But now that I'm actually doing it, it's actually pretty fun. It's challenging, and it's kind of cool to see what you can actually do when you set your mind to do it, you know? And I really need to start being more creative and start challenging myself more, because I do love makeup, and I mean I love art in itself. I'm a graphic designer, so I end up doing logos. I do ads for clients, and you know, as a graphic designer, I love art. I love creating art, and so if I can do that on my face, that's pretty cool, I guess. Let's add a little bit of orange to this. Also, I don't have a lot of makeup brushes, but I do have a lot of paint brushes because I like to paint, and that's what I'm using. I'm literally using paint brushes to do this. So you can use whatever. You have no limits, or you know, whatever. All right, that is our sun. A little sunshine, a little star. Let's add another planet. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I ain't stopping. And let's clean it. Let's do it. Alright. Alright, for this one, I'm gonna go with like a pink and maroon type of color, just cause. Alright, our little pink planet is all done. It's looking pretty good. I'm liking it so far. Of course, this process is taking a little longer than I thought, so I'm gonna speed things up and I'll show you the end results in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm done with the planets. This is how it turned out. Of course, I picked whatever colors I was gonna go with. This is a different galaxy. Now I'm gonna go and add those little stars. Because this is the solar system and it's the galaxy look that I'm doing. So real quick, I'm gonna use one of these brushes with the fine tip to start creating my little stars. Okay guys, now that we have all the little stars and twinkles and add a little bit more blue, our planets are looking good. Now we're gonna highlight. And I'm just gonna start highlighting like the bridge of my nose, you know, and parts of my cheekbones. So just add your highlights wherever you would like. Okay guys, so everything's looking good. We got our planets, our stars, our shimmer, our highlight. Now the last step is lips. For lips, I'm going in with a nude, more like a lip gloss, because I don't want a bold lipstick just because the attention, I want it to be on the solar system, of course. So, but if you want to go for a bold lipstick, go for it. I'm just going to use the ColourPop So Juice lip gloss. Okay guys, there you have it, my recreation look from Abby Roberts, the solar system look. Of course, I put my own twist on it, my own colors, and I think it turned out pretty great. Like I said before, I didn't think I'd be able to pull it off, but this looks really cool. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and hey, maybe you could wear this for Halloween, you know? Halloween is coming up, so here's a solar system look for you guys. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.